This is David Schmuckler with DS Integrated Solutions. This is a demo of our mobile application interface to our home automation system. I'm demonstrating on my Android, however our system is compatible with Android and iPhone. So let's get right into it. In the top section we have what I call our header. This will be the same on everyone's platform and everyone's install. You have a service menu here where you can take a look at the server that we install in your house, which is very lightweight, runs off of 5 volts DC, and consumes hardly any energy whatsoever. And we display the date and time for you, and we have a section named My Custom Routines. I'll come back to that at the end of the video. One thing to keep in mind as I'm going through this video is depending on the devices you have in your home or the devices we install in your home, is your app will look different. The home I'm in right now has an alarm system, cameras, some automated lighting and an automated garage door, and a smart TV with our Kodi Media Center controller connected to that TV. If you had a Nest thermostat, there would be a separate section in here for your Nest thermostat. If you had a Ring doorbell, there'd be another section in here for your Ring doorbell. If you had a Tesla smart car, there would be a section in here where you could go into your smart car and take a look at your current charge level. You can compare that to the weather and your commute to work and average it against the current traffic report and see if you've got enough charge to get to work. No matter how simple or how complex technology, we provide that service. So let's dig into this platform. Take a look at the alarm system. Here we can see we're connected to our panel. And we have a little service option. We can get a status report from the panel. Current software version. The trouble LED is off. There's no trouble in the system. We can poll for labels. That's the labels for the zones. And here you can see it's received the labels. And we can also just check the general status of the alarm. Under the partition status, we can see that we're currently disarmed. We can physically set the alarm in here. If you've taken a look at some of our other videos and our tablet wall mount interface and our Alexa interface, you'll be able to see that everything that I'm doing in this app can be done through Alexa. I can arm my home alarm through Alexa, turn on and off the lights, set the thermostat, take a picture or record video from my Skybell. Getting back to our alarm here, I can check the status of each individual zone of my alarm system. And if my alarm is armed and one of these zones breach, I will receive a push notification telling me not only is my alarm going off, but telling me in which zone is my alarm going off. Backing up and going into the security cameras. If there were more security cameras installed, they would show up here and you could simply scroll up and down. Under automated lighting, one of the things we do is enable an all on and off switch for all of our customers so you can quickly, with the touch of a button or a voice command to Alexa, turn on or off all your lights. Here you can see we have several dimmers, and I can easily set the light to 50% or set the living room light to 75%. Now we've chosen to go with sliders, but if you prefer, we can do radio buttons and have your lighting be bright, medium, dim, and off. Like we have for our ceiling fan, we can also do for the lights as opposed to the slider. Now you'll also see the switch. If I just wanted to quickly go to 100%, I can just tap the switch and bring that light up to 100%. Some of our non-dimming lights we have installed in this house is our fish tank, we can turn on and off, and our kitchen lights, we can turn on and off. Pretty basic, simple. When we're all done, we can turn off all the lights. Getting into our garage door, this is a garage door opener technology that we've developed and installed in this house. The Chamberlain or LiftMaster MyQ garage door system is fully compatible with our platform. However, it will run you about $150. This technology was developed using a $10 sensor on the door and a $13 spare garage door remote controller that is connected to our platform, which is installed in your house, And now I have a complete smart garage door. I can read the state, or I can open and close the garage door. Going on further, I can turn on and off the TV, and since we have also opted in this house to install our DS Integrated Solutions Media Center, we can stream movies, music, play games, everything else through our Media Center, which we can control through this app too. Lastly, I told you we'd discuss my custom routines. When we do an install in a customer's house, we'll basically sit down with you and say, okay, what's your normal day look like? What do you do every morning when you leave the house? What do you do every evening when you come home? And what do you do when you go to bed? In the case of this house, it's turn off all the lights and set the alarm in the away mode with the simple tap of a button when we're leaving the house in the morning, or by telling Alexa, Alexa, set the house to away mode. When we're home, we want to disarm the alarm and turn on only some of the lights. So we've set a button for that, and we will need to enter the alarm security code. So this is not hackable. You would still need your security pin through your alarm in order to enable or disable, in order to disable your alarm security. When we go to sleep at night, we want to turn off all the lights and set the alarm in the stay mode. Something also enabled in this routine is our camera system. We've set that a rule when we turn on sleep mode, we turn off all the lights, we set the alarm in stay mode, but we've also set a rule for when the backyard cameras detect motion. Only when this house mode is enabled, then the backyard light and the kitchen light will automatically turn on. So if it's 2 a.m. and a would-be thief or robber hopped over the backyard fence to try to break into my back door slider, the backyard light would automatically turn on and the kitchen lights would automatically turn on, thereby scaring them off. So security at this level is priceless. And then we have a movie mode. We want to turn off all of the lights with the exception of 2. We want to set them at a certain dim level and turn on the TV. And again, that can be done with the simple push of a button or by telling Alexa, turn on movie mode. That's it. I hope you've enjoyed this brief demonstration of our app interface to our home automation platform. Please make sure you check out some of our other videos that just demonstrate Alexa and Google Home interface to our platform, as well as the wall-mounted tablet interface to our platform. We're at www.dsis.tech. Thank you.